Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to create your own newsletters on Hubspot, so make sure to stick around till the end. Now, newsletters are a powerful tool for getting your message across to attracting potential customers or leads. And the good news is you can easily create them in HubSpot. Now, let's take a look at how to do that. First, to create newsletter, you'll need to start by going into a marketing tab, then select email. From here, click on create email. You can choose a regular email or a blog style email, which can work well for newsletters too. But today I'll stick with the regular option. Now, once you have selected regular, click next. This is where you can choose a template. HubSpot has a variety of templates, but for newsletters, I recommend checking out their newsletter specific templates. You can also start from scratch if you prefer, but templates can really save you time. Once you have picked your template, go ahead and start ending or editing. You can customize it however you like. After that, you'll want to manage your settings. When everything looks good, it's time to move on to selecting your recipients. You can choose who to send your newsletters to and even filter out unengaged contacts to make sure you're reaching the right people. You also have the option to automate the process, though keep in mind that automation is a paid feature. Once you have finalized everything, click on review and send. That's it. You have successfully created and scheduled your HubSpot newsletter. And that's wraps up today. How to create a newsletter on HubSpot, you know. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.